So next you have a practice time. So you have to draw a rectangle with the 40 steps breadth and 60 steps length. So let's do this on your computer. Okay, after typing these commands, forward 40 degree, then we move the turtle to the right side at the 90 degree, then forward 60 steps, then turtle move to the right side by 90 degree, then the 40 steps forward, then again turn right, then 40 steps, then 60 steps to the forward direction, and then last step is turn right degree at 90 degree. So now just execute this command. In a slowest way, so we can also check the steps of turtle. So it's at the center position. Now next is forward 40 degree or 40 steps, then turn right side. Next is forward 60 steps, turn right at 90 degree. So now this turtle move to this side, then forward 40 degree 40 steps, then again it turn to the right side, and then forward 60 steps, and again turn right to get it actual position. So in this way we have a rectangle. You can also draw any type of a shape by using the command forward, backward, turn left, turn right. Okay. Now we are going to learn about more commands. Next is direction command. You can also command the turtle to the point its head in any direction without using the TR or TL command. You can do it by using the direction command. The short form of direction is DIR. The direction command follows the number of degree turn the turtle head in the clockwise direction by those many degrees. So in direction command we can move the turtle according to the clockwise direction. So if you're not sure how many degrees the turtle should move, click the tool and in the menu direction chooser, the direction chooser dialog will appear. Now do the following. Click on tools, direction chooser. This window will appear. The first one is command type. Choose the command type, turn right, turn left or direction. Second, the previous direction shows the position of turtle in the degrees. Here you can see. For example, we'll select from here, turn right, then previous direction we have enter 30. Choose the new direction, like we have choose 110. So it moved from this to this point. Click paste to editor to paste the command in editor pane. This command appear in the text box, and then you can click on close button. Paste to editor. So this command will move from here to this point. Click on close. So now we have that command here. Now you can click on run command to execute your turtle. So now the turtle moved to the 80 degree on this side. So in this way you can use the direction command. Center command. The center command brings the turtle to the center of the canvas without drawing a line. The head of turtle points to the same direction as the previous command. The center command does not draw a line as it moves to the center of the canvas. Consider a sum command like reset command is to reset the previous command, forward 100 steps, then turn right side by 150 degree and then center. Now just execute this command, click on run. So reset to the default position. Now the turtle moves forward 100 steps. Now it turn right by 150 degree. Now it comes to the center position. So in this way, no line is drawn back from this point to this point. So it just moved to the center. So the last commands bring the turtle to the center of the canvas without drawing a line. The head of turtle points to the same direction as in the previous command, is that at TR 150 degree. So whenever you need to move the turtle to the center position to draw a line from this side or this side, so you can use the center command.